Is there presents?
Where's Wii U? Where's Wii U?
We have to open the presents and see what you got.
No, you're Wii U.
You don't see it?
I didn't see Wii U.
Well, they're all wrapped.
You said open the present.
Let's sit. Which present you want to open first?
It's called Santa. And in the store.
Oh, it says from Santa.
Santa.
You sit right here.
Yeah. Look at that. What is this called?
That looks like candy.
What?
That's candy.
I don't want candy. Who bought it?
Santa. Let's put it here. Get another present.
Get another present.
But I want to get a Wii U present.
Well, keep opening them.
I don't know if Santa will give you that then.
I think this is a Wii U present.
You do?
I think so.
Open it.
Ooh, this is going to be a game.
Oh.
How did you know?
I know.
You just know?
I open it.
Right here.
Oh. Put the tape. Put the tape on it.
What's that?
What is that?
Mario game, but it's supposed to be a Wii U Mario game.
Open it.
Here's a Wii U Mario game.
Whoa.
That I want.
That's what you want? Whoa.
Did you tell Santa you want that one?
I told Santa we're not me.
Okay.
Just try.
But where do we eat this?
Keep going.
Which one?
Oh, this is going to be a big one. It's going to be a big one.
Whoa.
Oh, it's too heavy.
Whoa.
What's this?
That's just a little bowl.